If you are a Solana developer, then definitely you will like this particular NPM package, which help you to test your smart contract which you have written for Solana blockchain, doing all the stimulation, all the validation, and giving you separate environment which you can use to do the testing, and it's super fast. So this is the one which we use for writing a custom contract and testing all of that. This one is absolutely amazing and it's very lightweight. So you can come back here. It's very easy to install and get started with. So it has the Cairo model which you can simply do the installation, and we'll have this one. Now let's come back to the documentation. There we can able to understand more about this particular library, that how we can utilize it. So if you really want to work around this particular repo, you have to have a Cairo, and you can simply run this particular command to do the installation in your project. Now let's come back to why we use it. So it's called LiteSVM. You can simply call SVM, that's what we call in industry. So if you really want to stimulate and take the traditional approach, you can go with this one, where you can able to find the advanced approach we have in the model which we use. Like this is a client model, so you can go with anyone. Like you have these two options. Like some of the developers, they prefer to go with this particular one, but they also suggest this one as well. So you can go with any model. Here you will find the details about the everything in synchronous way, so you can simply process the transaction. If you come back to the direct state manipulation, this is the model structure we have, we can include. If you want to check the time under your control, we have this one, but I really like this one. It's very easy to integrate and we can able to have the model, but you can go with this one depending on the logic which you want to build and perform the transactional model. So here we have this one. If you want to go with the error model, that's all you can able to follow and perform it. So there is tons of things are there. I want you to come back here and try to explore this package. This one is super powerful and you will have tons of model which you can use it. So if you come back to your testing, your program, you will find quick start guide, deploying program, you can find executing instruction. If you go back to the testing with SQL token, you will have quick models. So you can click on this quick start, you will come back to the page, and there you will find that how you can do the installation, what are the ways to create the token, initialize the model, how you can able to run the testing. That's all is there. If you want to take the token operations, you will come back here and you can simply copy this entire code and you can simply integrate and you can have the feature which you can use to execute and test. So tons of things is there. This one is also very super cool, because you know that when you want to interact with the Solana, you have to deal with the like PDA accounts. So this one's also helps you a lot. You can use it in multiple way. Like this one is follow the ATT accounts model which we have, where we assign the details about the token and the reference which user and the wallet is interacting. So tons of things are there. I would highly encourage you to have a look, try to understand the architecture, because if you want to build a custom testing your contract and including different model before you actually go back to the mainnet rather than testing in the devnets, you can simply go with this particular architecture. That's really important. Now if I come back to the examples, there you will find we have tons of examples right up here, like soul transfer, how you can able to do that, how you can simply do it. There you will find the complete code. If you go back to the program deployment, here you will have the entire snippet which you can simply execute. If you want to go with the PDA creation, there you will find the model which you can handle. If you want to handle the error, there you will find the structure which you can simply include it. Come back to the SPL token operation, cross program. So you can simply have a look. Now if you come back to the time-based testing, go back to the anchor program example, there you will find, because all the project we have built, if you come back to the blockchain coder, we have more than like 130 project and we have built close to 40 projects related to Solana blockchain. So if I type Solana, you will find all the project we have, all of these projects for Solana, like NFT marketplace, token creation with different model, fee, swap model, liquidity, that's all you will find. So I would highly encourage you to come back here, check that how we have deployed the contract, what is the airdrop model we have, NFT marketplace, NFT creator, token creator with multiple architecture, we have the staking dApp, we have the referral model. So all of this project we have the ICO dApp. If you go further down, this one is the most advanced and biggest project you will find. We have the wallet model. So that's all is there. So I would highly encourage you to come back here. This will saves a lot of your time, and if you are not into core development and if you don't want to give too much focus on the Rust, then you can simply go with this one. You can simply use this snippet models and you can simply call in your package and you will have the entire feature for doing all the testing. So that's the only thing from my end. I hope you have understood. This project is absolutely phenomenal. It will save a lot of your time and it will help you to give you the perfect system which you can run to do the testing and stimulate the entire program. So that's the only thing from my end. If you have any question, any doubt, let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely try to help in that. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.